Let me see. Let me see it.
Not for what?
Oh, the scent.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Michelle, and I'm back with another video. So, as you read last time, you guys, I have to do an epic prank. This about to be so savvy, like, and I'm nervous. Like, I don't know how this is going to turn out. Of course, you know. And then again, he probably think it's a prank. I don't know. But hey, we're just not gonna keep it rolling, you know what I'm saying? So right now, he's gone to Sonic to get us something to eat, you know. It's read by the time we're supposed to be doing a mukbang, but it's gonna be a prank. So it's gonna be a mukbang and a prank in the mix. So we're gonna see how this turn out, you guys. Just pray for me, please. I'm so innocent. I'm so innocent. Oh my jeez. It's just a prank, baby, so don't take it serious. I got my friend in on this prank. She already downloaded the app for me, and she used the Texas area code. But anywho, I'm trying to see how do I put my messages on my lock screen so the message can pop up, but stupid. I don't know, but don't text to my friend. And my friend ain't on this prank. This about to be real interesting and funny, hilarious. I just want to get his reaction, see how he gonna act if we see another nigga texting my phone. This never happened before, of course, but I just want to see how he's going to react if he see another guy in my line, you know. So we're gonna get this prank rolling, and I will see you guys when he get here. I'm having all the cameras set up, so I'll see you guys. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and get us to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. Y'all can do it. I know we've been gone for a minute. Jump over here on this team, jump on this bandwagon and support. Y'all be getting on me in the comments on my hair video. Y'all is going in on me on my hair video. This is him. This is him. This is him. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
You there already?
Yeah.
Okay, what you get?
What you want?
You can give me the corny thing. What is it called? Corn dog, the corny. The long corny.
That's all you want?
I want onion on there. I want
onion,
cheese, and chili.
Okay, alright, I'm sorry, babe. Order my meal. 1 second.
Alright. So he's at Sonic. Sonic is not far down the street. So yeah, but like I was saying, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow us on our social media, y'all. We trying to get this thing cracking. Y'all like my hair? I did this. Baby, I did this, honey. I love it. I did it again. I did this, baby. Ew. So follow us on our social medias. Our social media will be down in the description down below. Also, it'll be right here. And I'm nervous. I don't know what to say. I'm so speechless. I'm so nervous. It's like, should I do this or not? But I'm gonna do it. I don't care. But I'm still scared. I'm nervous. But so stay tuned. Stay tuned. So I'm about to text my friend. About to text my friend right now. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna delete y'all. I'm about to do a set. I'm about to go on and set this prank up. So go and set it up for everything. He'll tell me how to set up before I go back. So I'm about to go and set it up. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on our social media, which will be in the description down below. And if you guys have any other ideas that you want me to do, please don't hesitate to DM me and comment in the comment section right now. Team share all day, every day. So, and we're back. And let's get this prank on the go.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Jay.
And it's your girl Michelle.
And today we finna do a mukbang for y'all. Just finna talk, chill. So sit back and relax and then, you know,
enjoy this video. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And hit us up on our social media. You gotta get into this video. Let's get into this mukbang. We're finna do random mukbang.
and we just gonna chill, talk. You know what I'm saying? Kick back and relax. You know
So
what I'm saying?
I have corny, we have fries. I don't know why we have extra fries.
Cause the dude gave me extra fries at the restaurant. He gave me an extra meal, and he was like, you know what I'm saying? Forget it. You can keep it. So I was like, cool.
What y'all drink? You get no soda?
Yeah, I got a soda. But I dropped it. I told you it took me so long. It dropped. I was so mad.
Where's drop it?
In the car. I had to clean the car out. That's what took me so long.
In the car where?
In the back seat. That's what took me so long.
Why you got the drink in the back seat?
Cause I had them in the nothing.
Why you put it in my cup holder?
It's a long story, y'all. It's a long story. Alright, you back. You talking about it back.
But yeah, I have strawberry lemonade. Drink. So my friend, she went to sleep. So I have to do this break on my own. Cause I done been download the app and start texting myself. But these are some Fritos with some chili and cheese. He had 2 burgers. Yeah, that's it. And I guess it's a must stay. Yeah. So, that's it for this video. Like this video. Go check, share, and comment section.
The real is back, y'all.
Okay, so what was we gonna talk about? Mukbang.
Life.
Like what?
We talk about life.
Like decisions. Or just...
You know. We have
You got no
explained.
life?
No. Yeah, I guess. Dang, I just went down there.
Just gonna be sloppy. Hi. He gonna say, do I want mustard? You didn't put mustard on there like when nigga want
He
extra
put mustard on it?
Look at all that mustard.
I told him I didn't want
A
mustard on
bunch
it.
of it too.
He just did everything wrong, man. He did it wrong,
He put
order
chili
everything.
on here. Like, who want chili on
I
my
said,
food?
I told him I said I wanted like a burger, so this
Why would he
dude,
put chili on there?
he
He told him
did,
no chili then.
yeah. I told him I wanted like a burger. So why would he put chili and mustard? And I said I don't put mustard on, put mustard on the side. He put mustard on it and he gave us mustard on the side, y'all. So
Like, who finna eat some extra mustard? Come on now.
yeah,
It's good for you.
right,
Okay.
yeah. So basically, you know, we moved down for a minute. He give us some ketchup. Didn't give us nothing. Okay. Again, y'all. We need some ketchup, please.
Just get you a little plate. A small plate, just a little salsa.
Okay, y'all.
Good.
Chili.
I like Wendy's chili better than.
Yeah, so y'all, what's up? You know, just chilling. Today we had went to Jump World, but she didn't go. I ended up going, taking our son and my little brother, but took them to Jump World. Jump World is basically like some place where kids go and jump at and stuff like that. So I took them there.
I heard about
The dude was so happy at the. He was like a happy person. The dude at the window at Sonic, he was talking to me like 15 minutes. I'm like, dude, come on with the order.
he was talking to you at the window.
Yeah, he was like, where you from, man? He's like, I couldn't understand nothing you were saying with the order. I'm like, I'm from Memphis. He was like, oh, okay.
He went through the window?
Hmm?
He went through the window? What window?
Hmm?
You said at the window.
No.
You mean at the little thing?
This song ain't like
through the
that.
window?
This song ain't made like that.
For real?
Mm-mm. This one made like how McDonald's drive-in is. It ain't made like
Oh.
how Sonic is, you know, you pull up and look, and how all the drive slots, and you pull up,
Oh,
press
yeah.
the button.
For y'all that don't know, we don't stay in Memphis no more. We just moved to Dallas, Texas. And that's, yeah. So things are a little different down here. So,
Right.
yeah, I never seen that.
What?
No,
Me either. I was like, but it's hooked up to a gas station, so it's in the gas station.
Oh, I know what son of you talking about.
The one across the street from McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it ain't across the street from McDonald's. It's past that light. over the highway.
Across
By the
the
highway.
street, basically, though.
It's a gas station, and you gotta go past a little brought out.
Wow.
You know, Sunday. Yeah.
And this dude was like, this dude basically really enjoyed his job or something. Cause he was talking so much that the order wasn't even correct. He was like, yeah, man. I just went along with it. He like, yeah, man, I know you ordered something. I'm like, nah, it's the wrong order. So I'm like, it's cool. I'm gonna drop some. I'm like, it's all good. Like, it's cool, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that free burger, bro. We're gonna get that free burger and fries, bro.
That's cool, bro.
Yep. I wait something, but it's alright, you know. Got all this stuff we had, some stuff out the way. You know what I'm saying? That just makes the whole video up.
Oh.
You need to cut that off. No time in the video. I'm talking, man. I'm talking about no sense. Let's see. We're safe.
Why are you in my phone?
What did I say, friend?
What did I say, friend? Friend, my phone.
Who is it?
Who is who?
So, wait, who is it?
Who is who? What are you talking about? This is my friend.
The fan.
Yeah, why you reading my messages? Why you reading my messages?
It said friend and a thing. It said friend. Let me see. Let me see it.
Not for what?
Oh, it said, oh.
For what? What you talking about?
What is this?
Why you
Man,
always in my stuff? Give me my phone, bro.
What?
Give me my phone.
I just
Let me
want
see
to know
your
if you want
phone.
to change your life.
Give me my phone, bro. Give me my
I'm
phone.
sorry to hear that. That's bad. What? That shit's fake.
Okay, you better know. Let me
Hey.
see your phone. Why you always trying to look through my phone?
You texting? You texting a dude?
Who?
You.
No, I'm not.
So, no shit. I just read the
No,
text
I'm
message.
not. What I say?
That's not a. What you gay? What you bisexual or something? Cause that's a dude texting you.
Why you think this a dude texting me?
Cause I just read the messages.
Why you think this a dude texting
Cause I just
me?
read the messages.
So you think this a nigga texting
So
me?
you think this a game?
How I think it's a game?
This is cause you're not.
What you? I think this a game.
You laugh like this shit like this is a game.
What you talking about? This is my friend. This is not a dude.
But this is not a game.
What's not a game?
You texting. That's a dude you texting.
No, this not. No, this not. Why you acting like that, though? Why you acting like that?
Wow, acting like a real. Why you playing with me?
I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Give me a kiss. Why you acting like you mad?
Give you a kiss.
Yeah, cause
You texting something
you
dude.
taking it out the wrong way. This no.
Okay, let me read this. I'm showing you. I'm taking it the wrong way.
Wow. How?
I just read the text message and you
And
said
what
I'm
it say?
taking it the wrong way.
And what I said? What it say?
Why? You know what it say.
What it say? How?
Why I gotta tell you
What
what
make
it say?
you think
You
this
know
a
what it
dude?
say.
What make you think this a dude?
Because what it say. I don't have to explain what it say. You know what it say. You read it just like I read it.
It's just a friend, though. It's just a friend.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. No problem. Let's finish our mukbang for our subscribers.
Okay.
Nope.
What you mean? Okay.
Cool. Cool. We said just a friend. So we having friends now. Flirty friends.
You
we
must got a friend.
We have friends we can flirt with.
You must got a friend.
No, I don't got no friends, but
Cause you said okay, like
I'm not gonna give you some friends
I'm already
now.
doing
I'm not
it
gonna
anyway.
I'm gonna give you some friends now. I'm gonna give you some friends now. I mean, since we having friends. I'm gonna give you some friends now. Yeah, I'm gonna give me some friends now. Then I'm gonna sit here and allow you to flirt with some dude twice your friend.
I'm not flirting with nobody though.
That's a dude, and it wasn't.
I'm not flirting with nobody though.
Okay, you think this thing? I think this is guy.
That's crazy.
We might well just eat and just forget about this mukbang.
Why?
For what? You just messed it
Our
up.
channel.
And then you lied to you texting your boss.
I am texting my manager.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. I just looked
Text her
at her.
right here.
What's up?
I'm texting her right
Let me see.
here. I'm texting her right here.
Let me see. Click on it.
It's saying 11:18 right here.
Today, 11:18
What's
p.m.
talking about?
So who is that you texting with the friend? Go to that number contact. Cause this gotta be fake.
What you mean it's fake? This ain't fake. And
This is
this
not
just a
real.
friend just.
Well, let me see then.
I just feel like that we should just have friends.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Okay. You know.
Why you saying okay?
All right.
You want to have a friend, don't you?
Hmm.
You want some friends, don't you?
Yeah,
Now I do. Damn, I want some friends now. What you mean? Yeah, I want some friends. What you mean?
Let me see
Go.
your phone.
No.
Let me see your phone. It's cut off.
It's definitely over.
So, we was in the middle of doing the mukbang, and so Justin said he wanted to have some friends.
Cause she got friends. She
No,
takes some dude.
no,
She takes some dude.
no.
You over here trying to laugh like just a guy.
No. So basically, he said okay because he had friends or want to have friends anyways, regardless.
No.
Because you wanted your woman, you'd be something. Nah, you ain't having no friends. Erase that nigga number and it's dead on that. Instead, he okay. Yeah, friends. I want a friend.
Why would I do that then?
Anyway.
Why would I do that? Why would I do that?
Anyway.
You talking to go and chase somebody who probably don't care about their relationship. Don't care about none of that. I'm not gonna do that. If you sit up here and talk to some dude, text some dude, why would I no? Why would you text some dude while we doing a mukbang? Just so you don't care at all. Then you left your phone. This gotta be fake. That's why. This gotta be fake. Cause I just refuse to believe this. Then you left your phone here while we doing mukbang. You know I got your password.
No, I was texting my manager.
Cause
No, I was texting
So
my
this
manager
real,
and my
isn't it?
friend randomly just text.
if this for real,
Because I was just texting my manager.
if this
asking
for
her
real, this
something.
would be real. Fuck, this would be real, motherfucker.
Well.
Let's stop the camera, okay? I'm finished. Cause I'm getting pissed off.
Wow.
Let
Let's
me
just
see.
finish our mukbang.
Let me see this.
That's crazy. What you doing? Don't call it. Why is you calling the
about to see
number?
what this is.
Why is you calling it, bro?
Man, who is this? Nah.
Give it to me. Let go my arm.
Except.
Let go my arm, bro.
Who is it? Dude, I swear I was finna go off, dude. I was finna go off.
I'm so sick, y'all. Oh my God.
So, dude, you downloaded the app. I was like, wow. I was getting pissed off. Look, my thing is, you play too much. Look,
when you got pranked.
That was smart though. She picked the perfect time because I'm thinking we doing a mukbang video, and I'm like, so.
But you one of my little one was laughing.
Oh man, because I showed like. But like I said, she thought she learning me like she expected me to be like, no, you for me talking, don't do you for me.
No, that ain't what I said. Then.
No,
that ain't what I said.
Because I feel like if you've been with a person for, years and they just flat out disrespect your relationship like this, they never gave a care. They didn't care in the first place. So you shouldn't even do that because you shouldn't be acting a fool, mad, or don't be talking to this person. Nah, because they don't care anyway. They don't care.
He like they don't care.
They don't care anyway. Why would you feel down here?
But anyway, he got pranked. He thought we was doing a mukbang, but he got his butt pranked. How you feel about that?
Man, I was about to go off.
That was so funny. It's like, and then did y'all see that he threw my phone to the back, took me off? I'm like, he finna mess the whole prank.
Cause I'm like, why? I was thinking like, why would you be having this on and we finna do a mukbang? Why'd you like? What they do to it? I've never seen that done before.
Oh my God, that was funny.
She over there just texting away.
Well, how do you feel? You can't remember.
Huh?
How did you feel when you called the number?
I was waiting on somebody to answer. I was waiting. I'm thinking in my head like this.
That's why I walked outside. I know.
I'm thinking in my head like this better be a I promise you, if a dude answer this phone, it's better be real one.
That's why I walked out the room, because I know if I walked out the room, he would look at my phone while I wasn't here. So that's why I get up and walked out. Cause he looked like he wanted to look at it while he was going off the first.
You look like you take your manager this late at night. I just didn't believe that. You take texting your manager this late at night?
No, I'm on fast with her guy.
For real?
Yeah. I'm up to her while I go to move tomorrow.
I was gonna go off to do that on your phone. I'm about to go off on my life.
Okay, you guys, so that wraps up this video. Just edit this. You got anything else to say?
You pay too much weight.
If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow our social media, which will be in the description down below. And stop. I see you. I see you. Let's get some video ideas.
Y'all give me some pranks to do on her though, cause she got me them. I never expected her to do a prank while we doing a mukbang. I didn't expect that, so
That's the only way I can do it.
yeah, that was a good one right there. Cause I was trying to keep my cool, cause I'm like, I don't know. Well, alright, y'all. So you know I gotta get it back. You know what I'm saying? So we appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Y'all should like, subscribe. Y'all keep supporting us. Cause we told y'all we back. And y'all thought it was a game. So I gotta get her though, y'all. I gotta get her because she got me on them, y'all. So I gotta get her. I gotta think of something clever though, cause that was clever. I didn't think that she was gonna pull off a prank. She really got me on this. I'm like,
the girl really downloaded that app, yeah.
So I'm sitting here like, hold up. No, she ain't just. Yeah. Okay. Gotta get her though, cause she played a little too much. I gotta get her y'all. But y'all, look, for real though, y'all hit us up on our social media. Hit us on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever, you know what I'm saying, social media. We're gonna put the link in the description below. Y'all spam up the comment section. We thank y'all for tuning in. And this is Justin, and this is
Michelle, and we are signing off. You guys, peace.
Peace.